Bill Goudy checking in. It's time to get the priority straight. You're probably wondering why I'm inside the camper. Well, let me think. I got 27-mile-per-hour wind gusts outside. And let me see what the wind is right now. That's only blowing at 6. But it's definitely gusty winds. I'm going to have me some chicken wings tonight. I'm going to cook them out right on the campfire. And I'm telling you, yeah, I'm having a heck of a time. Keep trying to block that wind. That's not what this is all about. No. I found some Ivory. Yeah. Some Ivory barbecue sauce. I think it's a lot like that sauce I made back, I don't know, a year or so ago. I made some white sauce I used on some, I did some chicken, I did some frog legs, but I made it. I made it from Duke's mayonnaise. Well, this doesn't say it's Duke's mayonnaise, but it says Ivory barbecue sauce on it. I'm anxious to give it a try. Check it out, will you? You're going to hear me say it. Look at the goodness. Look over here. That's previously cooked cauliflower. And I'm going to fry that up. Oh, look at that. I can smell vinegar. This is nothing like the white barbecue sauce I had before. This is good. Well, the other was good too. But this is like a white barbecue sauce. A vinegar base barbecue sauce, not a mayonnaise base. That is good. Totally different. It's not the same as the Duke's. Nowhere near. Ivory barbecue sauce. Lily's Ivory barbecue sauce. It says Northern Alabama white on it. and a tangy sauce, just true northern Alabama, with a pinch of cayenne. Oh, it is good. I like it. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, if you get a chance, give it a try. Listen, 2 thumbs up. Gotta go. I'm gonna take a shower. Well, actually, I'm gonna finish eating, take a shower. I'm gonna hit that bunk. Do it all again tomorrow. Bill Goudy out.